So I wouldn't say I'm surprised that Stree is doing well. I perhaps wish all our films did so well.
आओ कभी हवेली पे किया था, कमरिया किया था, मिलेगी मिलेगी किया था. Stree can host songs like this. We were doing something for the Ambani wedding where Pawan Singh was invited to sing a song. You know, कुछ एक वहाँ एक click हुआ था कि we want to do something with Pawan Singh. We didn't know it was Aini. Shraddha and Raj are extremely sporting. और दोनों बहुत मस्तीखोर लोग हैं. पंकज जी enjoyed the song. That was a surprise for us. पहले दिन सब लोग शॉक में थे कि अरे यार ये क्या है, भोजपुरी टाइप का गाना आप लोग बना रहे हैं. भोजपुरी म्यूजिक इज वर्ल्ड म्यूजिक.
With आज की रात और with खेतों में तो आई नहीं, it's tickling you. It's tickling one naughty nerve, but it's not crossing the line.
We don't want to start saying vulgar things to dance to. We still need dance music and item songs. Why not do it in a way where, you know, dignity and respect is maintained?
With Raj and DK, man, it's crazy from the outset. They just don't settle for regular.
Hello everyone, welcome to Shosha. I am Titash Chaudhary in conversation with Sachin and Jigar. Hello.
Hi.
Hi,
How
hi.
are you?
Hi,
How are you?
Titash, how are you?
All good, all good. First of all, big congratulations on the super success of Stree 2.
Yeah, thanks.
Thank you so much.
Still try to sink it in.
So tell me what's your mind frame like right now?
There's lots is happening and lots of good news, and that's when you want to take a moment to sink it in. This is what we have worked for. So I wouldn't say I'm surprised that Stree is doing well. I perhaps wish all our films did so well. Thing is, when they love, they really do. So you got a way to figure to be grateful, and then to be ready to bend your back harder because they'll come with that much more expectation next time.
No, it's the same thing. I think, you know, if when something really works, मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा स्ट्रेस होता है कि अब क्या करेंगे, अब आगे क्या करेंगे. सो ऑलरेडी अब माइंड चल रहा है कि अब आगे क्या करेंगे. एंड फिंगर्स क्रॉस्ड, आई होप वी कैन जस्ट कंटिन्यू मेकिंग म्यूजिक.
Great, that's lovely to hear. I'm very curious about this song, Aayi Nahi, okay? I mean, you know, when we got the first glimpse of it, we were like, okay. And then when we watched it on the big screen, the audience had a gala time, okay? Even in a multiplex, we felt like standing up and dancing to it. Tell me, how did you come up with this song and the whole idea of getting a Bhojpuri singer like Pawan Singh on board?
देखो, बहुत टाइम से वी वर ट्राइंग टू डू अ सॉन्ग विच इज़, यू नो, जैसे मस्ती के वॉइस सॉन्ग होते हैं. वी ट्राई टू डू अ सॉन्ग कॉल बाकी सब ठीक बस चल रहा है, इवन इन भेड़िया. दिस टाइम वी थॉट कि हम लोग कुछ धमाकेदार मस्ती वाला गाना बनाते हैं. एंड इट्स कम्प्लीटली कम आउट ऑफ अमिताभ भट्टाचार्य's ब्रेन्स. उन्होंने ये 4 लाइनें लिखी. आई थिंक इट्स द लिरिक दैट मेक्स इट सो मच मोर फन. एंड हम लोग भी जब बना रहे थे तो हम लोग बहुत मस्ती कर रहे थे, बहुत इन्जॉय कर रहे थे. बट देयर वर सो मेनी यू नो पीपल टेलिंग अस कि आजकल तो स्पॉटिफाई का ज़माना है, इस टाइप के गाने तो नहीं चलते हैं, ये यू नो. बट जब हमने फिल्म देखी तो हमें ऐसा लगा नहीं यार, ये फिल्म यही एक फिल्म है जब हम ऐसा गाना कर सकते हैं. जैसे हमने आओ कभी हवेली पे किया था, कमरिया किया था, मिलेगी मिलेगी किया था. स्त्री कैन होस्ट सॉन्ग्स लाइक दिस. और अगर इसको सही सच्चाई से किया जाए और इसमें जेन्युइन यू नो हार्ट डाला जाए तो आई थिंक इट्स वेरी मच फन टू मेक सॉन्ग्स लाइक दिस. पवन सिंह.
Yeah, that's where the heart is. Chanderi is so close to that region. It is still not Uttar Pradesh, it's Madhya Pradesh, but I just felt that we wanted a voice from North India, जो अपने आप में iconic है. And I can tell you that this Eureka just only happened one day before delivering the master.
Yes.
तो रात को he sang it.
एक दिन पहले.
Yeah, overnight we mixed it and the next day we released. So, you know, sometimes when you hear a song, you feel like, अरे बहुत सोच समझ के किया. हाँ, सोच समझ के किया, लेकिन not every decision is happens like perhaps it might be feeling.
Thought of.
हाँ, कभी कभी you go with the instinct, and there's just this instinct कि the song needs you know, like a local star. And then you see how his audience loyal, which is also part of India, where the film pretty much we wanted the film to reach out. So songs, fortunately, unfortunately, step out of the curtain first, and they set a mood for the film. Films, a horror film, but it's got so much laughter in it. It's got so much comedy. I think the music had to represent that too.
No, I'm just curious as to, like you said, he's a local star. How did you come to know of Pawan Singh?
Oh my God! You can't in today's day and age, you can't really not know. We are in that sort of a times where everybody knows everything. Perhaps everybody knows everything. Everybody even wants to say something about everyone. So, but the good part of it is that at a time like that, a night before delivering a master, it was good that we knew him.
Yeah.
So we met him at the.
We were doing something for the Ambani wedding where Pawan Singh was invited to sing a song. और तब हमने एक्चुअली उनको देखा और मैंने और सचिन ने एक दूसरे के सामने देख के बोला अच्छा कुछ एक वहाँ एक क्लिक हुआ था कि वी वांट टू डू समथिंग विद पवन सिंह. वी डिडंट नो इट वाज आई नहीं. और जब हमने सोचा हम क्या कर सकते हैं, इट वाज लिटरली एक दिन पहले, एंड वी कॉन्टैक्टेड हिम एंड वेरी ग्रेटफुल टू हिम एंड ग्रेसफुल ऑफ हिम कि उन्होंने एक रात पहले भी ये गाना गाया इतने दिल से. एंड डीनो सर, द प्रोड्यूसर ऑफ द फिल्म, he really backed it up. He really said कि हाँ यार करो, चलो करते हैं. अदरवाइज कोई प्रोड्यूसर एक दिन पहले आवाज़ चेंज करने के लिए मैंने नहीं देखा है मानते हुए. He really backed it up and he really enjoys the process of making a song. तो I think हम when like-minded people are together, वो ये सारी चीज़ें possible है.
That's lovely. What was your reaction like when you finally saw the song, which featured all the amazing actors on the big screen? And number two, what was Shraddha and Raj's reaction when they, heard the song for the first time?
See, Shraddha and Raj are extremely sporting और दोनों बहुत मस्तीखोर लोग हैं. तो जब एक्चुअली पहली बार जब अमर ने गाना सुना, डायरेक्टर सर ने, अमर ने, तो अमर रियली लव्ड द सॉन्ग. अमर and Dino sir, all of us started enjoying the song. That same madness went on, continued with Shraddha and Rajkumar and Jani Master, Abhishek Banerjee, Apar Shakti, Pankaj ji enjoyed the song. That was a surprise for us. The real reaction was कि जब गाना रिलीज हुआ तब सबने वो गाना पवन सिंह की आवाज़ में सुना. एंड इट सो मेनी पीपल टोल्ड अस, जब हमने वो गाना पहले दिन बाहर आया, मुझे इतने लोगों ने फ़ोन करके बोला यार ये तुम लोगों ने क्या कर दिया और ये तुमने क्यों किया होगा, इतना ज़्यादा ऑटो ट्यून यूज़ कर दिया. बट इस गाने की ज़रूरत है वो. पवन सिंह की वॉइस में अच्छा लगता है.
एंड पवन सिंह इज amazing singer. He can sing in the key, okay? Like he's very good at pitching.
Yeah. So it was a production call. मतलब हमको लगता था कि ये साउंडस्केप में ज़रूरी है. तो मैं जानता हूँ पहले एक दिन में इतने लोगों ने बोला कि यार सचिन जी, अगर आप लोग इतना ऑटो ट्यून क्यों यूज़ कर रहे हो? अरे क्योंकि उस गाने को उसकी ज़रूरत है. तो पहले दिन सब लोग शॉक में थे कि अरे यार ये क्या है, भोजपुरी टाइप का गाना आप लोग बना रहे हैं, ये वेयर इज़ इट गोइंग, ये सब वो सब. बट the team had the belief. We knew that हमारे पास कुछ एक X factor है, and we just went on with the gut and everyone backed it up.
That's lovely. I think also, Bhojpuri music in general, I mean, with the limited knowledge that I have about music, but I think dubstep is quite an integral part of those songs.
Bhojpuri music is world music.
Yeah, it is celebratory, just period. Just and that's what Amar went for, because he belongs to that place. Even Pankaj ji would know what this new demon is, because I feel North India knows to celebrate it big. They are not small in celebrating their happy moments. They want it loud and clear, and I like it. I like that about us as India, that we are so different. We have so many languages, so many cultures. Yeah. It's just amazing. I just felt like Stree could afford it. Stree too, all the more, could afford
a song like that. And
I think that is our moral compass. That a script like this, a film like this, can we go that far? Yeah. And how far we can go, that limit just gets keeps getting wider.
Yeah. That's great. I think it's also a breather because these days the conversation is like the Punjabification of Hindi film music, and now with a little tinge and hint of Bhojpuri, I think it's a breath of fresh air. We aren't complaining for
Let's
sure.
go towards Bhojpurification of Hindi film.
Why not? Why not?
Of course.
So before this, there was Munjia
Yes.
and Taras, which became like a viral sensation, and I think it just grows on you. That's the kind of song that Taras was, and while this is of course not the first time that you're making a dance number, initially we would call them item numbers, but then there was of course Kamaria before this, and I think, and I was just thinking about it, while I was on my way here, that your songs, despite being dance numbers where we have these lovely women dancing, they never objectify women. And is that something that is important to you as music composers?
Can I take this one?
Please.
Look, I'm a father of a lovely daughter. Always had more women in my house than men. Jigar has 2 younger sisters. We are who we are because of their sacrifices. A lot goes into the making of a woman from a girl, and we've seen it firsthand. I might have gone and picked up essentials for them in the night, So it's not easy to be a woman, and it's worse on the part. I think the essence of a man will be to be able to least to be graceful towards them, towards their beauty, and heck, why not say it out loud that somebody is beautiful? Why not celebrate that beauty? You just got to find a thin line and then adhere to it. You should know what is not graceful. And Amitabh as a guy, if you meet him, Amitabh Bhai, he's too graceful a person. So even if you see with Aaj Ki Raat, in fact, I remember my mom making a call to Amitabh Bhai. She always wants my friends to come over home for lunch or whatever, for a Gujarati fiesta. But she made me call him. And she called Amitabh Bhai, and in so many words she told him that with Aaj Ki Raat or with Kheton Mein To Aayi Nahi, it's tickling you. It's tickling one naughty nerve, but it's not crossing the line. And it is, you are right. Dino sir himself, me and Jigar as music composers, Amitabh Bhai as lyric writer. Look, it is, if it's made 600 crores today, forget the number, forget the box office collection. It's going to impact so many young minds. We've got to pick responsibility for that. We are not going to just put out everything that is palatable or sellable. We are going to make sure that there is enough grace in it.
Absolutely. I mean, even for Aaj Ki Raat, it's about a woman embracing her beauty and sexuality.
Yeah.
And still there's, she is empowered,
Yeah.
which is kudos to you, both of you, for that.
No, also Amitabh Bhai, even in Aaj Ki Raat, he has written, मेरे महबूब समझिए ज़रा मौके की नज़ाकत के खरीदी नहीं जा सकती हसीनों की इजाज़त. So I think he really comes up with these lines which make the song much more about the woman, and it is then our job to give it that tune and that feeling कि अच्छा ये तो एक डांस गाना है. Even if you see Taras is actually a sad song. तुझको जहाँ पे अपना दिल ये दिया था मैंने, दिल तोड़ने उस जगह पर ही बुलाया मुझको, तरस नहीं आया तुझको. It's actually a sad song. How we don't want to start saying vulgar things to dance to, right? There was a time where we have all celebrated even that. Times have changed. We still need celebration. We still need dancing beats. We still need dance music and item songs. Why not do it in a way where dignity and respect is maintained?
Absolutely. This conversation, thank you for having this conversation. But, on a slightly different note, up next for you is Citadel, Honey Bunny, where you are reuniting with Rajan DK once again for the umpteenth time. Tell me what's happening on that front. We heard the first song on the teaser launch day.
Yes.
It was beautiful.
Thank you.
With Raj and DK, man, it's crazy from the outset. They just don't settle for regular. I don't think it even starts at ordinary for them. It's got to have the whack. It needs to have the quirk. The characters will have a quirk. The setup will have a quirk. There's no way we don't live up to that, right? So it's just always fun. It's just and they are, my god, damn funny. They are so subtle. Even our meetings are so hilarious. We're just laughing, and and I think there is just way too much trust now. Just like you said, that we worked too many times to not be able to gauge or not be able to trust each other. If he says that, listen, this doesn't work for me, then there is no way me or Jigar will question it. And I also feel like there is such a rebel inside Jigar that, you know, that he just can't settle for doing or repeating himself. He just, like he started saying when we started this interview, that it's going to be a few sleepless nights for him. Whenever a song does well, he just feels like अभी ये मौका, ये तो जॉनर गया, अभी ये तो वापस नहीं कर सकते टाइप ऑफ. So it just makes that very interesting, because I can pull things if he's going too crazy, and he can pull me on that side if I'm being just too normal. And this is the same combination between Raj and DK. They are equally reasonable and
they
crazy.
actually managed to get us get the alternate side of us out really well.
No, looking forward to that. Correct me if I'm wrong, there's also Vicky or Vidya ka wo wala video. We saw a small glimpse of that. So what we know about it is it's probably set in the 90s. I don't know.
Yes.
But tell me, when you're making music, keeping 90s in mind, I mean, the golden period for even Hindi film music, what are the challenges you face?
Actually, we won't talk about challenges.
Yeah.
We'll tell you something very exciting.
Yeah,
Who's
no, no,
singing
you-
a song?
you-
You
you-
tell him.
No, come on.
Arre, aap boliye.
So look, I was born in the 80s. So 90s for my life was my teen years. So I've lived that music. I mean, I will never lose an impression from that time. And that's why one of the songs is sung by Adnan Sami. And I so endure the fact that we are being able to do this, because my God, haven't we enjoyed his Rain and his series of songs, and what a talent and what a person. I mean, it was just amazing to work with him, and stuff like that's coming your way. So yeah, if that says anything.
We don't have much time. We'll wrap it up. But before that, both of you have composed music for all the films in the Maddock horror universe, right from Stree, the first film.
From Go Goa Gone, if I can.
Oh, yes, absolutely. Go Goa Gone. That was a fun film. Okay. No, but how has that, association been like? And how do you make music for horror comedy?
I think we are fortunate to be a part of a universe first, and that also horror comedy universe. We really, both of us enjoy horror films, but we've seen people who get scared of horror films, and we thought that if Maddock is making films where they are making the films palatable to people who even get scared of horror films, उनको अभी थोड़ा डरा के हंसा सकते हैं, तो म्यूज़िक का काम क्या है कि हम आपको एंटरटेन करें. तो हमारे लिए यही इम्पॉर्टेंट है कि हम ये जो हॉरर कॉमेडी यूनिवर्स है, उसमें हम ऐसे गाने दें जो बहुत एंटरटेनिंग हो, क्योंकि आप डर रहे हो, आप हंस रहे हो, तो नचाने का काम हमारा है, प्यार कराने का काम हमारा है,
आपको थिएटर बुलाने का काम हमारा
है ना. और फिर भी अगर आप देखोगे, हर गाने में एक हॉरर का सब टेक्स्ट चलता है. जैसे काटी रात मैंने खेतों में तू आई नहीं इज एन एक्सटेंशन ऑफ आओ कभी हवेली पे और मिलेगी. वो पूरे बोलते हैं हम पूरे गाने में कि तुझे कभी ना कभी तो मिलेगी. फिर ये रात भर रुका रहा, लेकिन फिर भी वो आई नहीं. एंड इट्स अबाउट नाइट. इवन अच्छी रात इज अबाउट नाइट. नजर ना लग जाए वॉज अबाउट काला टीका, काला जादू, दैट वी टॉक अबाउट. एंड देन देर इज खूबसूरत के यार आई कैन नॉट बिलीव हाउ यू आर सो एंजेलिक, व्हाट आर यू. सो हर गाने में एक सब टेक्स्ट है, पर हम कभी उसको बाहर लाके आपको डराना नहीं चाहते, हम आपको एंटरटेन करना चाहते हैं.
I think this definitely calls for a Sachin Jigar universe of its own. All right. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for that.
Hi, this is Sachin.
And this is Jigar, and you are watching us on
News 18.